What if we try to fit Earth inside the Sunday? The answer is mind-blowing. Let's discover how many Earths can fit inside the Sunday. Earth feels huge to us. Oceans, continents, and mountains. But in space, Earth is actually a small planet. Now look at the Sunday, our massive star. The Sunday is vastly larger than Earth. In fact, Earth looks like a tiny marble beside it. Earth's diameter is about 12,700 kilometers. The Sunday's diameter is about 1.4 million kilometers. That means the Sunday is about 109 times wider. If we lined Earth across the Sunday, over 100 would fit side by side. But diameter isn't the full story. We need to compare volume instead. Volume tells us how many could fit inside. Scientists calculate volume using sphere formulas. When we compare the volumes, the difference becomes extreme. Over 1 million Earths could fit inside the Sunday. Yes, more than a million. About 1.3 million Earths could fill it. But the Sunday isn't hollow, of course. It's filled with super hot plasma and nuclear reactions. The Sunday produces energy by fusing hydrogen into helium. This energy powers sunlight and life on Earth. Without the Sunday, life wouldn't exist here. And the Sunday isn't even the biggest star. Some stars are hundreds of times larger. This shows how small our planet really is. And our Sunday is just one star in a huge galaxy. There are billions more like it. The universe is unimaginably vast, yet this tiny planet is our home. Every human story exists on this one world. That perspective makes space even more fascinating. Our Sunday may seem enormous, but in cosmic terms, it's average. Still, fitting over a million Earths inside it is incredible. That's the true scale difference. Diameter, volume and mass all show the Sunday's dominance. This is why astronomers study stars to understand space. Observing the Sunday teaches us about the universe. Scientists constantly monitor solar activity. Solar storms can even affect our technology, but they also create beautiful auroras. Another reminder of the Sunday's power. Space always puts things into perspective. Like this video if you love space facts. Comment what space topic we should explain next. Subscribe for more cosmic discoveries. Explore more space knowledge on this channel. And remember, in the universe, scale is everything.